and I will spend money on something that I know is going to bring us money at a certain point in time.
Yeah.
And that way it helps me make more momentum, right? And then like the 75 hard thing, bro, I did it. And the number one thing I got away from that was a god awful lot of momentum. Okay. Of like momentum in my life, momentum in my business, because I'm doing something consistently over and over and over again. And just the fact that you're checking off that button brings momentum into your life, right? And to where if you can even count your offers, like, hey, I made an offer today. I made an offer today. I made an offer today. Like you can feel that shit building. And it gets exciting. Pick a movement or pick an objective and track it and see however much you can do of that movement at a time. And then just track it over and over and over again, because you're going to get like, oh, well, no, the seller wants to sell. Oh, well, this is happening. Oh, well, this is happening. Oh, we got a couple clients here, right? And then it just keeps building on itself. If you can consistently keep going at it, when you stop doing anything, that's when it all goes away.